Increase height in just 7 days with yoga. Having being short heightened among your family members and friends is really a cause of embarrassment many times. It should become a cause of nicknames that generally focuses on the short height that really becomes the cause of tension in individuals belonging to any age group. It's not just a case of embarrassment, but it is also believed that taller people are happier, have less health risks, get more pay, and achieve more success in life. They have higher IQ levels and are way smarter than short people. Getting all these things in front of us, we are here with the video that teaches you how to increase your height naturally in 7 days with yoga. Stay tuned with us till the end and grab this useful piece of information on growing taller naturally in 7 days. 1. Tadasana, mountain pose. This is the best exercise as it involves the muscles stretching from head to toe. This puts great pressure on all the muscles in all parts of the body, which helps in the growth hormones to work more efficiently. You need to relax your both shoulders and stand straight. You have to then take 5 to 8 deep breaths and balance your weight on both feet. This is very much helpful in increasing your height in quick time. 2. Vrikshasana, tree pose. As the name suggests, this pose is just like the shape of the tree. First, you have to lift your leg, right, up. Then the main process starts. You have to shift your whole body weight from your right leg to your left leg. Just make it sure that your right foot is close to your upper thigh. You can take support from your palm if needed. You have to repeat this again and again by shifting the weight between the legs and seeing straight. 3. Headstand. This pose is also known as the energy pose. As compared to other ones, this one is somewhat difficult to carry out. Your body needs to have good strength and a strong spine to do this headstand. You have to engage your muscles by taking deep breaths while lifting your right foot to your chest. Now, repeat this again and again, lifting your left leg up and pulling your knee to your chest. This helps to increase your balance as well as height. 4. Trikonasana, triangle pose. This pose makes the arms, ankles, legs, and chest stronger. It makes the hips, hamstrings, and chest work in a better way, and it helps to free yourself from cramping. You have to make your feet wide apart and stand straight like an arrow. You have to then bend yourself to the right side by shifting your whole weight. You have to then make yourself come back to the original position. 5. Ustradhasana, kennel pose. You need to use your knees to stand in this pose. You have to keep your feet and knees together, and one can also maintain a little bit of distance if it makes him comfortable. Then, you have to bow down in the direction backward, and straining of the body must be avoided. Then the body weight should be equally balanced on arms and legs, and relax yourself a bit. Stay in the same position as long as you can and release the hands afterwards. You can increase flexibility in your body, as well as your muscles get stretched that will help to increase your height. 7. Bow pose. In this exercise, you can increase your height just by lying on the ground or floor. It elongates your muscles, arms, and also your spine. Your body looks like a bow during this yoga exercise. Along with the increase in the height, this pose is also very helpful in making the digestive system work well. It also builds confidence and helps to stretch down the whole body parts and muscles. 8. Cobra pose. You have to place your palms on the ground and bend your elbows straight back and in a direct position. You have to look directly on the mat by keeping your neck in a neutral position. Inhale and exhale by staying at this very position and keep on doing it as long as you can. This pose is very helpful in fighting back pain and tightening and stretching the muscles, and as a result in the increasing of height. Wrapping up, that's some of the useful yoga exercises that you can easily carry out at home to increase your height. These are so beneficial because they don't have any side effects and can be carried out easily in the comforts of your home. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you guys next time with more of some awesome content and pro tips for your health. Until then, take care.